Okay, in this video, we'd like to show how to use PowerPoint Live, which is a feature which will enable users to share their PowerPoint slides quickly online without using Teams. I think this is more used for one-way kind of presentation, so it's you showing the PowerPoint slide to users. There's not really feedback apart from applause, things like that. So the first thing we need to do is to go to office.com. We open the PowerPoint slide in question. You then click on slideshow. You wait for present live to come. Here we have the options available. So within audio settings, you can select the various microphones you have. You can select whether to share with people in your organization only or publicly. In this case, we'll select anyone. And then we click on Present Live. So the user can either scan the 3D or the QR code sent to them, or a link. So in this case, we're going to use the link. Paste the link. And here the user is connected. As you can see, the transcription has already begun, but the PowerPoint slides are not showing. So what the host has to do is to click on Show Slides. And as you can see, it begins. At the bottom here, there's the PowerPoint Live menu, so backwards and forwards. Over here, you can view all the slides available and directly click to them to show it. Over here, you can annotate the PowerPoint slide using the pen and highlighter. Here, you can go away from the live view so you can see the transcriptions happening. Over here, you have information about the live view. And over here, you can stop the session or pause the session to make edits, for example. From the audience side, as you can see here, audience can give reactions. So by clicking on it, okay. So after we've done this, we end the session. When the session's finished, the audience will be provided a wizard which they can go through to give it feedback. And this information will be stored inside a form which will be made available to you. So we click on Submit, and there the session's ended. Over here, once we click on End Session, the link and the QR code will expire and will no longer be available to anyone. Neither will the slides and the transcription. So we click on End Session, and we're done. Okay. Now, if we go back to office.com, you'll see there's a presentation form available now. So if we click to open, go to responses, and here you have all the responses from the audience. Okay, thank you.